How to use same Snapchat account on two devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can use the same Snapchat account in two different devices. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat app first and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now, in case you would like to log in this specific Snapchat account into your another device, go ahead and open up a new device. And if you have application of Snapchat, just simply open the app. If not, you can just go to the web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Just open Google Chrome in your another device and tap on three dot icon. Make sure that you check on desktop site. As you do so, at the search bar, type in Snapchat web and tap on web Snapchat. Get logged into your Snapchat account through web application, and that way you will be able to get logged into your Snapchat account in two different devices. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.